10 card minimum. Who the hell needs to waste all that paper? Oh, I did not change this. Mark.
What's up, everybody? Just finished up our 5 mega box break. Ready to get started on this 10 blaster break. Definitely had some big hits in the last one, but definitely lacking on the QB side. We hit a couple Jordan Loves, we hit one Tua, but unfortunately we could not find Joe Burrow or Justin Herbert in the last break. Hopefully our luck turns around for this one. We got 10 blaster boxes that we're doing. Hopefully we find a lot of nice Joe Burrows, Justin Herberts, Tuas, and all the other big names that we're looking for. Feel free to get in on chat tonight. Let me know what teams you got, what players you're looking for. We'll do our best to find them all tonight for you. And also, if you want to get in, and just let me know that the sound is working okay on your end as well. All teams are claimed and everybody's paid up. Appreciate everybody getting paid on time. Definitely makes things easier. Allows us to go ahead and get started on time. So good luck, everybody. Box number 1, we got eight packs and 4 cards per pack. So 32 total. Might be able to find some autographs in here. They got the scripts and rookie scripts in here. Blaster exclusive orange fluorescent parallels. And we should find 4 parallels per box on average. So, see what we find. Maybe find some autographs tonight. Maybe find Genesis. We did pull a Genesis in our mega box break. We pulled Derek Brown for the Panthers. See if we can find one in here. We got Bills and Packers in the house. Bills and Packers have traditionally done pretty well for us, especially the Packers. We'll see if we can let that continue. Allen Robinson for the Bears. Tony Gonzalez for the Chiefs. First rookie, A.J. Terrell for the Falcons. And a Jimmy Garoppolo got game for the Niners. Zeke Elliott for the Cowboys. Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers. Zach Thomas for the Dolphins. And what do we have here? Is this the orange fluorescent? In box number 1, NFL debut. Oh, wow. Bengals. Joe Burrow. Orange fluorescent 12 of 25. Man, we could not find any Joe Burrow in our last break, and here we are, first box. This is the first color Joe Burrow that we've pulled out of Mosaic. Orange fluorescent 12 of 25. What a hit. What a freaking hit. You got your money back right there, box number 1. Congrats, Bengals. Huge hit. Kevin King for the Packers. David Montgomery for the Bears. We got an NFL debut, Cam Akers for the Rams. And we got touchdown masters, Drew Brees, Prism for the Saints. Alright, Joe Burrow's going front and center. I don't think we're going to be able to top that one tonight, but we'll certainly try. Are the Bengals in the house? Do we have the Bengals watching right now? Mark Brunell for the Jags. Daniel Jones for the Giants. Darren Waller for the Raiders. And a Jimmy Garoppolo silver for the Niners. Jarvis Landry for the Browns. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Jeff Okudah, rookie for the Lions. And a Joe Namath, old school for the Jets. Who's got the Bengals tonight? Let's see. Jeremy, you got quite a few teams in this break. You got Bengals, Cowboys, Chargers, Vikings, and Niners. So you're bound to hit something, and man, did you ever. Congrats, Jeremy. That might be bigger than the Pat Mahomes Genesis that we hit last week. Cortland Sutton for the Broncos. TJ Watt for the Steelers. Mike Gesicki for the Dolphins. Ooh, a nice one for the Ravens. Green MVP Lamar Jackson. Nice hit for the Ravens. John Brown for the Bills. Deshaun Watson for the Texans. Terry Bradshaw, Hall of Fame for the Steelers. And touchdown masters, Adrian Peterson for the Redskins. Charles Tillman for the Bears. Steve Largent for the Seahawks. Jarrett Stidham for the Patriots. And a green Myles Garrett for the Browns. You got the Lamar Jackson. All right, not a ton of hits in that first box, but definitely a huge one. Like I said, it's going to be hard to top that one, but we'll do our best. We got 9 boxes. Empty box. Hold on one sec while I just send a message out. Somebody just trying to find the break. Alright, let's see what box number 2 can bring us. Leighton Vander Esch for the Cowboys. Carson Wentz for the Eagles. DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. And Jason Witten green for the Raiders. Lamar Jackson base for the Ravens. Dick Buckets for the Bears. Michael Irvin Hall of Fame for the Cowboys. And a will to win Peyton Manning for the Colts. Leonard Fournette for the Jags. Devin McCourty for the Patriots. Oh, I think we've got a Genesis in here. Maybe. I think so. Terry McLaurin for the Redskins. It's a rookie. Oh yeah, Michael Pittman Jr. Genesis for the Colts. What a break so far. We got an orange fluorescent Joe Burrow. Now we got a Genesis Michael Pittman Jr. Nice hit, Colts. That's another player that we did not hit in our last break. We didn't hit any Michael Pittman Jr.'s or Jonathan Taylor's in the last break. So Colts, you picked the right break to find. Who had the Colts tonight? Let's see. Dale. Congrats to Dale. Kareem Hunt for the Browns. Julio Jones for the Falcons. A.J. Dillon, rookie for the Packers. Ooh, nice Tom Brady. Got game. Green Prism for the Bucks. Nice hit for the Bucks. Matt Stafford for the Lions. Sam Darnold for the Jets. Mike Williams for the Chargers. And a silver Sony Michel for the Patriots. Cole Beasley for the Bills. Andre Johnson for the Texans. Pro Bowl Kirk Cousins for the Vikings. And a flea flicker for the Bucks, Ronald Jones, Tom Brady, and Mike Evans. Allen Robinson for the Bears. Terry Bradshaw for the Steelers. Kirk Cousins for the Vikings. NFL debut green going to the Chiefs, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. What a box. We got a Genesis Pittman Jr. and a green Edwards-Helaire. Nice hit, Chiefs. Tony Gonzalez for the Chiefs. Zeke for the Cowboys. There's a Cam Akers rookie for the Rams. And a Thurman Thomas old school for the Bills. Man, we're only 2 boxes in and we got some crazy looking cards up here already. Alright, let's keep it rolling. We've had 2 big time boxes so far. Let's see what we can find in box number 3. TJ Hawkinson for the Lions. Marshawn Lattimore for the Saints. Brian Urlacher Hall of Fame for the Bears. And a Melvin Gordon green for the Broncos. DJ Chark for the Jags. Charles Woodson for the Raiders. There we go, Chargers. Couldn't find him in the last break. We got him in this one. Justin Herbert. Base. Nice hit for the Chargers. And Jerry Rice will to win Prism for the Niners. Who had the Chargers tonight? Jeremy had the Chargers as well. Hitting big. Got that Burrow orange fluorescent. Now you got a Justin Herbert base. Dak Prescott, Cowboys. Dawkins for the Eagles. Russell Wilson Pro Bowl for the Seahawks. And a James Morgan green, rookie for the Jets. He might, never know, he might be the starter by the end of the year, the way Sam Darnold's playing. Calvin Ridley for the Falcons. Devontae Parker for the Dolphins. AJ Terrell for the Falcons. And a flea flicker for the Jags, Leonard Fournette, Gardner Minshew, and DJ Chark. Kerryon Johnson for the Lions. Steve Young for the Niners. Another Cam Akers for the Rams. That's the NFL debut. And a DeAndre Hopkins green for the Cardinals. Tremaine Edmonds for the Bills. Gronk for the Bucks. Jeff Okudah. I think we pulled one of him earlier, so we got Jeff Okudah number 2. And Peyton Manning old school. J.J. Watt for the Texans. Warren Sapp for the Bucks. Terry Bradshaw Hall of Fame. And a green Terrell Davis for the Broncos. Kyle Fuller for the Bears. Cam Jordan for the Saints. Another James Morgan. That's the base rookie. And then we got a silver Roquan Smith for the Bears. Alright, box number 3 did not live up to box numbers 1 and 2, but it still did provide us with a Justin Herbert. So, not too bad. On to number 4. Johnny's looking for Jordan Love. Man, I tell you what, Johnny, it'd be some tough luck if we don't find any Jordan Love in this break, because I'm not even exaggerating. Jordan Love has come up in every single one of our breaks, and he's always had color. It's been crazy how much Jordan Love we've found. So that'd be rough luck if we don't find him in this break. Hopefully we do. Odell Beckham Jr. for the Browns. Terry McLaurin for the Redskins. Jacob Eason, he always comes up in our breaks. NFL debut for the Colts. And a green Kevin King for the Packers. Chandler Jones for the Cardinals. Sam Darnold for the Jets. There's a Zach Moss rookie for the Bills. Nice hit for the Bills. And a Derrick Henry will to win for the Titans. Von Miller for the Broncos. Mike Williams for the Chargers. Michael Irvin, Hall of Fame for the Cowboys. And we got a silver Tre'Davious White for the Bills. Marlon Mack for the Colts. Terry Bradshaw, Steelers. A.J. Dillon, rookie, Packers. Finding lots of A.J. Dillon. Still haven't found Jordan Love. Flea Flicker, Cowboys. Zeke Elliott, Dak Prescott, Amari Cooper. Tyler Eifert, Bengals. Kirk Cousins for the Vikings. Kirk Cousins Pro Bowl for the Vikings. And a green Sam Darnold to go with the green James Morgan. Kyler Murray for the Cardinals. Marshawn Lynch, Seahawks. Another Cam Akers for the Rams. And a Flea Flicker Prism, Terrell Davis, John Elway, Ed McCaffrey. Drew Lock for the Broncos. Michael Thomas for the Saints. Jalen Hurts, NFL debut for the Eagles. Oh, Justin Herbert green for the Chargers. Man. Absolutely killing it. Jeremy. You got two Herberts. One of them's green. And you got that orange fluorescent Joe Burrow. What a break for Jeremy. Just when I thought this box was going to give us a bunch of nothing, it gives us a green Herbert. Matt Judon for the Ravens. Chris Conley for the Jags. There's Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Nice JT rookie. And Julius Peppers, old school, for the Panthers. Alright, let's go ahead and take the base down. Replace it with the green. And see if we can find another one to put up there in box number 5. Michael Vick, Falcons. Dan Marino for the Dolphins. Lamar Jackson Pro Bowl for the Ravens. And a Michael Thomas green for the Saints. All the mosaics so far that we've broken, we still have not found an auto. We'd like to find an auto tonight. That'd be nice. Kenny Golladay for the Lions. Nick Bosa for the Niners. Van Jefferson rookie for the Rams. So the Rams getting a ton of rookies tonight. And a Saquon Barkley got game for the Giants. Tre'Davious White for the Bills. Sony Michel for the Patriots. NFL debut CeeDee Lamb for the Cowboys. Nice one for the Cowboys. And a green Hall of Fame Terry Bradshaw for the Steelers. Carlos Hyde for the Texans. Ryan Tannehill for the Titans. KJ Hamler, rookie for the Broncos. And a nice Got Game green prism, Saquon Barkley for the Giants. Roquan Smith for the Bears. Darius Slayton for the Giants. Aaron Rodgers, MVPs for the Packers. Ooh, there you go, Chiefs. You got the green Edwards-Helaire. Now you got a green Pat Mahomes. Nice hit, Chiefs. Travis Kelce for the Chiefs. Richard Sherman for the Niners. Oh, man. I saw who the player was on the back of this, I'm pretty sure. And it looks like we just got another orange fluorescent. So we got Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. I don't know if anybody else saw it. Yep, Chance Alluded saw it. Wow. Pat Mahomes Got Game orange fluorescent, numbered 10 of 25. Good Lord, this break is crazy. This is nuts. Chance Alluded saw it. Oh, I saw the Mahomes and then I saw the orange. I was like, oh my gosh, no way. 10 of 25, Pat Mahomes. I mean, just to pull an orange fluorescent is big time. But to pull Mahomes and Joe Burrow in the same break, jeez. Who got the Chiefs tonight? Chiefs was Thomas. Congrats, Thomas. I mean, you got the green Mahomes, the green Edwards-Helaire. That was good enough. And then you get a freaking orange fluorescent Mahomes. I mean, we're going to move Lamar over here. Mahomes going to go over here. This is absolutely ridiculous. And we're not even halfway through the break yet. That's the crazy part. I hope we're not coming out too hot and the second half of the break turns out to be a dud. Jason Witten for the Raiders. Randy Moss for the Vikings. Justin Herbert, NFL debut for the Chargers. We just keep pulling hits. And Carlos Hyde, silver to the Texans. Mark Ingram for the Ravens. A.J. Brown for the Titans. Justin Jefferson, rookie for the Vikings. Nice hit there. And a will to win, Julio Jones for the Falcons. All right, now we are halfway through the break. And man, we've got some hits. It's going to be hard to top those first 5 boxes. But I also said it would be hard to top that Joe Burrow card. And look what we've got. We got a Pittman Genesis. Got a Mahomes fluorescent. 3 Justin Herberts, including a green. All right. Box number 6. I don't think we've had one disappointing box yet. I think probably the worst box we've had so far still had a Justin Herbert base in it. Unreal. Josh Allen for the Bills. Dwayne Haskins for the Redskins. Joe Namath for the Jets. and a green TJ Hawkinson for the Lions. Devontae Adams, Packers. Khalil Mack for the Bears. Justin Jefferson debut for the Vikings. And a got game Nick Chubb for the Browns. Gardner Minshew for the Jags. Roethlisberger for the Steelers. LT for the Chargers. And a green James Conner for the Steelers. Myles Garrett for the Browns. Jordan Hicks for the Cardinals. There's a Jerry Jeudy rookie for the Broncos. Nice hit for the Broncos. And a will to win Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Philip Lindsay for the Broncos. Zach Thomas for the Dolphins. Daniel Jones for the Giants. And a silver rookie, Cole Kmet for the Bears. Nice hit, Bears. Cole Kmet silver. Devin Singletary for the Bills. Boomer Esiason, Bengals. Barry Sanders Hall of Fame for the Lions. And Adam Thielen got game for the Vikings. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. Darren Waller for the Raiders. TJ Watt for the Steelers. And a green MVP, Tom Brady. Nice hit, Patriots. Tom Brady, green MVP. Last pack, blaster number 6. John Elway, Broncos. Earl Thomas for the Ravens. Whew, another Joe Burrow for the Bengals. Killing it. Absolutely killing it tonight. Jerry Rice, old school, for the Niners. So yeah, that box proved to be pretty good too. Got the green MVP Tom Brady and the Joe Burrow rookie. We still got 4 boxes left. Deion Sanders for the Falcons. Le'Veon Bell for the Jets. Derwin James for the Chargers. And a green Josh Allen for the Bills. Baker Mayfield for the Browns. Barry Sanders for the Lions. Gabriel Davis, rookie, for the Bills. And a will to win Khalil Mack for the Bears. Luke Kuechly for the Panthers. Jared Cook for the Saints. Yannick Ngakoue for the Jags. and a really bad cut Tyler Lockett green for the Seahawks. You can see the top of the card there is the bottom of another card, and the name is badly cut at the bottom here. Well, might make the card worth more. Peyton Manning for the Colts. Tyler Boyd, Bengals. Cole Kmet, NFL debut for the Bears. And a flea flicker for the Vikings, Dalvin Cook, Kirk Cousins, Adam Thielen. Tyrann Mathieu for the Chiefs. Randall Cunningham for the Eagles. Robert Woods for the Rams. NFL debut, silver. Oh, wow. Tua silver. This break is unreal. I don't think we've ever had a break this good. This is, I mean, it just, not one bad box yet. Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. Mark Andrews for the Ravens. We got Joshua Kelly, rookie for the Chargers. And Howie Long, old school for the Raiders. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Drew Brees for the Saints. Landon Collins for the Redskins. And a Pro Bowl green Michael Thomas for the Saints. Last pack, blaster number 7. Christian McCaffrey for the Panthers. Darius Leonard for the Colts. Dan Marino, Hall of Fame for the Dolphins. And a touchdown Masters, Eli for the Giants. Alright. I only got room for 7 up here, so I think Lamar is going to have to come down so we can make room for the Tua silver. Box number 8. Johnny, you bought all the wrong teams. Who did you get in this break? Let me see.
Bills and Packers.
Yeah, Bills and Packers. What have we pulled? We pulled a Zach Moss rookie. Still haven't found old Jordan Love. Like I said, that's some rough luck if we don't find Jordan Love. We always find Jordan Love. But you still got that Kyle Lewis red at home to bank on. Teddy Bridgewater, Panthers. Cam Jordan for the Saints. John Elway for the Broncos, Hall of Fame, and a will to win Drew Lock for the Broncos. Von Miller, Broncos. Steve Young for the Niners. Kenneth Murray, rookie for the Chargers. And a green Randall Cunningham for the Eagles. Marlon Mack for the Colts. Gronk for the Bucks. A.J. Dillon, NFL debut for the Packers. And a Brett Favre old school for the Packers. Is that what you're looking for, Johnny? Brett Favre old school? Tyler Eifert for the Bengals. Mike Evans for the Bucks. Isaiah Simmons, rookie for the Cardinals. And a green rookie, Chase Young. Whew! Another big one. Nice hit, Redskins. Green Chase Young. Just when I thought this box was going nowhere, we pull a green Young. Kyler Murray for the Cardinals. Aaron Donald for the Rams. Emmitt Smith Hall of Fame, Cowboys. And a Brett Favre touchdown masters for Johnny. Drew Lock for the Broncos. George Kittle for the Niners. Antonio Gandy Golden rookie for the Redskins. And a green Joe Mixon for the Bengals. Matt Judon for the Ravens. Adrian Peterson for the Vikings. DeAndre Swift, NFL debut for the Lions. And a got game, J.J. Watt for the Texans. Last pack, blast number 8. Brett Favre, Packers. Warren Sapp for the Bucks. Michael P. Ryan, rookie for the Jets. And a silver MVP, Aaron Rodgers. There you go, Johnny. It's not Jordan Love, but you got a silver MVP Rodgers. That's a pretty sweet one right there. All right, well, that blaster, despite the green Chase Young and the silver Aaron Rodgers, that might have been the worst blaster of the night, which is still not too bad. Two boxes to go. Aaron Jones, Packers. Mike Gesicki for the Dolphins. Steve Largent for the Seahawks. And a green DJ Chark Jr. for the Jags. Brian Burns for the Panthers. Jeff Saturday for the Colts. Pro Bowl Harrison Smith for the Vikings. And a Peyton Manning touchdown masters for the Broncos. OBJ for the Browns. Jarrett Stidham for the Patriots. Eddie George for the Titans. And a green Jason Taylor for the Dolphins. Chandler Jones for the Cardinals. Von Miller for the Broncos. Kenneth Murray, rookie for the Chargers. And a flea flicker for the Saints. Alvin Kamara, Drew Brees, Michael Thomas. Prism. Mack for the Colts. Lawrence Taylor for the Giants. Keenan Allen for the Chargers. And a green Tyler Lockett. That's a much better cut than the last green Tyler Lockett that we pulled. Tyler Eifert for the Bengals. Kyler Murray for the Cardinals. A.J. Dillon, NFL debut. Just teasing you with all these A.J. Dillons and no Jordan Loves. And a silver Denzel Mims for the Jets. Nice hit, Jets. Silver Mims. Drew Lock for the Broncos. Juju Smith-Schuster for the Steelers. Oh, we got an auto. First auto that we've pulled out of Mosaic. Going to the back. Oh, a green Clyde Edwards-Helaire. What a pack. I don't know what the auto is, but this is a pretty damn good pack. So we got a green Edwards-Helaire debut, and now we got a green Edwards-Helaire base. Nice hit, Chiefs. And who's the auto going to go to? Who do we got? S23. Marcus Davenport. Not a big name at all. But nice hit, Saints. Marcus Davenport scripts. Definitely not the big name we're looking for. But congrats, Saints. Nice hit. Matt Judon for the Ravens. Brett Favre for the Packers. Isaiah Simmons, rookie for the Cardinals. And a got game Miles Sanders for the Eagles. Alright. Let's move the Edwards-Helaire debut. Throw up the base. Alright, last box everybody. Good luck. This has been one heck of a break. Jordy Nelson, Packers. Julius Peppers for the Panthers. Another Tom Brady MVP. That's just the base, but a nice hit for the Patriots. And old school Dan Marino for the Dolphins. Yeah, exactly. The autograph, I mean, shoot, there's probably 10 other cards, 10 or 15 other cards in front of the auto before it would even make the stand. Dwight Freeney for the Colts. John Riggins, Redskins. Jamal Adams for the Jets. Hall of Fame, Randy Moss, green for the Vikings. Baker Mayfield, Browns. Barry Sanders for the Lions. Another Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. Chiefs absolutely killing it tonight. I think that's the, what's that, the third? Fourth Clyde Edwards-Helaire? I can't even keep count anymore. Plus you got the Patty Mahomes orange fluorescent. And we got a Tom Brady touchdown masters for the Bucks. Christian Kirk for the Cardinals. Mike Allstott for the Bucks. Taysom Hill for the Saints. And a green Earl Thomas for the Ravens. Stephon Diggs for the Bills. T.Y. Hilton for the Colts. Another Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. NFL debut. Unreal. And a Keenan Allen got game for the Chargers. A.J. Green for the Bengals. Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. Miles Sanders for the Eagles. And a green Saquon Barkley for the Giants. Nice hit, Giants. Chris Jones for the Chiefs. Roger Staubach for the Cowboys. Laviska Shenault, rookie for the Jags. And a green as a silver green, yeah, it's a green. Touchdown Masters, Brett Favre for the Packers. Sorry, Johnny, still no Jordan Love. Down to our last pack. Good luck, everybody, on the last pack. Let's see how this break ends here. Marquise Brown for the Ravens. Jalen Ramsey for the Rams. Deebo Samuel for the Niners. And a silver Michael Thomas for the Saints. All right. Well, that was a fun break. Let's go ahead and do a recap of that one. All right, guys, we got a pretty nice stack here. All right, recap time. Here we go. Saquon Barkley, green for the Giants. Tom Brady, touchdown masters for the Bucks. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, base for the Chiefs. Tom Brady, MVP for the Patriots. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, green NFL debut for the Chiefs. Marcus Davenport, Scripps, Prism Auto for the Saints. Denzel Mims, silver for the Jets. Aaron Rodgers, silver, MVP for the Packers. Green Chase Young for the Redskins. Green Lamar Jackson, MVP for the Ravens. Joe Burrow, base for the Bengals. I mean, when Joe Burrow base doesn't make it up to the stand, that's a good break. Cole Kmet, silver, Mosaic for the Bears. Jerry Jeudy, base, Broncos. Justin Jefferson, Vikings. Justin Herbert, NFL debut for the Chargers. Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. CeeDee Lamb, NFL debut for the Cowboys. Got game, green prism, Saquon Barkley for the Giants. Patty Mahomes, green for the Chiefs. Jonathan Taylor, base, Colts. Justin Herbert, base for the Chargers. Zach Moss, base for the Bills. Jeff Okudah for the Lions. James Morgan, green for the Jets. Tom Brady got game green prism for the Bucks. Another Jeff Okudah base for the Lions. Edwards-Helaire NFL debut green or silver, regular, not silver, just a regular base. Edwards-Helaire green for the Chiefs. Tom Brady green MVP, Patriots. Justin Herbert green for the Chargers. Tua silver NFL debut for the Dolphins. Michael Pittman Jr. Genesis for the Colts. Patrick Mahomes orange fluorescent got game number 10 of 25 for the Chiefs. And orange fluorescent Joe Burrow NFL debut number 12 of 25 for the Bengals. Couple of monster hits right there. And a Genesis. What a break. Alright. Appreciate everybody getting in on the break tonight. We will get all this stuff wrapped up, packaged, and mailed out tomorrow. So hopefully you guys will see all this stuff by the end of the week. We will have another Mosaic break on Wednesday if you guys want to get in on that. Hopefully it's as hot as this one is, although it's going to be mega boxes and not blasters. The blasters definitely were better than the mega boxes tonight, but traditionally mega boxes have always been better. At least with our breaks, mega boxes have been better. Yeah, blasters won the night tonight for sure. We'll see if we can pull some heat from the megas on Wednesday. Hopefully you guys can join us for that. Wednesday we're also doing some Donruss mega boxes. You guys see that in the background there. We're doing 5 Donruss mega boxes. Those also bring some big time cards. We've pulled the Joe Burrow auto out of those. The Joe Burrow pinks, I think the pink optics, they go for around $150 right now on eBay. So those are some big hits there. Those pink optics are just really, really nice cards, and you get 7 of them per box. So Donruss mega boxes on Wednesday, and then if you guys are baseball fans, we got a really cool one for baseball. We're doing 2 hobby boxes. We're doing a Ben Baller Topps Chrome hobby box, and then a regular Topps Chrome hobby box. So if you guys are baseball fans, I know Johnny is. Johnny got that big time Kyle Lewis that we pulled out of Topps Chrome. Come join us for that one. Again, Ben Baller, Topps Chrome hobby box, and a regular Topps Chrome hobby box. We're doing that one on Wednesday. All that stuff's up on eBay right now. Go check it out. And we will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot.